adventure.
They say you never forget your first love. For me, that love was made of cast iron, chrome, and occasionally high voltage electricity. This is my grandmother's 1954 Necchi Nora. I learned to sew on this machine 45 years ago. It got me through jobs at Disney's Animal Kingdom, sewing for the Yeti, and projects ranging from bagpipes for ghosts to fur coats for lions. But for the last 15 years, our relationship got a little tense. There's been a wire arcing on the metal frame. The first time it happened, I actually thought I had fiberglass under my skin because we'd been cutting fiberglass at work. Nope, just a 70-year-old machine giving me a literal jolt. I quickly learned two things. This machine is a tank, and never sew barefoot on a concrete floor. After 7 decades of service, I decided my grandmother's machine and my nervous system deserved a retirement. At Next Left, we never know what's coming through the door. One day it's upholstery, the next it's damask or cotton. I needed something heavy-duty, versatile, and ideally grounded. Enter the Singer HD 6700. I'll be honest, I wanted to hate it. I felt like I was cheating on a 45-year relationship. But after a few days of learning this machine, I think I'm in love. Here is why this machine won me over. First, threading. If you have a brain fart, the markings are right there. It's a simple slip through, no more fighting with complicated hardware. And for those of us whose reading glasses are struggling, the self-threading needle is a total game changer. The variety is insane. I love this slide-out key that shows all of your options. Selecting a stitch is just a touch of a finger. I've been playing with the embroidery stitches, and they are stunning. The automatic stitch end button ties off your work with 3 perfect stitches. And the needle up-down button, no more manually cranking the wheel to get your position right. The thread cutter leaves the trailers at just the right length. And the buttonhole tool, it takes all the guesswork out of sizing. I even sewed a button on with a machine for the first time in my life. But can it work? I've already run upholstery fabric, cotton, and damask through it. It didn't flinch. I can't wait to see how it handles fur. Plus, the removable table gives me a small arm for pant hems and sleeves. It's the perfect mix of modern convenience and heavy-duty power. The Necchi Nora is taking a well-earned rest, but the legacy continues here at Next Left. If you're looking for a machine that respects the craft but embraces the future, the Singer HD 6700 has my vote. And the best part? I can sew in my bare feet again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of the crazy projects we get into here, check out our playlist below. That's it for this Lake Alameda update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.